Hello friends, I'm Christopher. In this video we are making a new fence for my miter saw and installing some T-track. So this was a really long time coming. The original fence that came with it was pretty bowed, which you'll see in just a minute, some of the earlier footage. I was hoping it was going to just be like an hour fix, you know, fix the bowing, redo the screws and make it work, but that was not the case. So I upgraded, very happy that I did. It's a day project, effectively allowing for glue to dry, very approachable. And now I took the time, which should be something you do anyways, right, regularly, to tune up the bevel and make sure I redid my zeroing here. And anyways, it feels like a real high-end machine now. So let's dive right into this build. So this is my Metabo chop saw, my miter saw. I really like it. I like that it's a big sliding compound beast. And now that I've built a proper miter stand, I want to take this more seriously, and I have a problem. Let me change camera angles to show you that. My problem is that this fence is warped. It is bowed inside, right? Like, it makes the slightest arc. It's not perfectly straight. It curves like this. So I've got it tuned perfectly 90 right here, but over here it's like 86, 87. It's bad. And if I cut something big going all the way across, in the end, as I'm getting to the end of the cut right here, it like pulls in and then snaps back. So we need to fix that. Just to give you a feel for this, right? I've got it calibrated so that I can, right, put this up to it here, right? That's good. That's how it's supposed to be. That's within a tolerance for me. But on the other side, that is not tolerable. Gosh, let me bring you in. Look at that. Look at the back there. Oh, that is way too much play. That is way too much play. And I am not about to sand all of this metal, so I gotta make something else. First step is gonna be to take this fence off. So I wanna show you how this looks as we take it off. Get it down, look at that. All right, that's a pretty big bow. Now, there's a section that I may or may not have deleted from this video where I was trying to realign these and push this down by pulling it forward, but no matter how much I did, I could not get it 90 degrees on both sides to the blade. So we got to ditch this for a new alternative. I get scrap wood from all over the place, dumpster diving and stuff. This is a really big board. It's joined. No idea how old it is. I'm not convinced this isn't lead paint, but I am convinced that it's dry enough that the wood isn't going to warp anymore. So we're going to take this to the joiner, take off the paint, and use this for our new fence. Since I'm making this fence out of wood, I think it's time that I add some T-track. So I got a 4-foot section that we're going to put along here. Just good when, you know, I can probably run a 10-foot board, I think. I got 4 feet here, plus another 2 to the wall, 6 and change over there. I can, you know, I can cut any big thing in half. I'm satisfied with that for my workshop. Anyways, I'd like something that can run out here for repeat cuts, and I'm going to do a small section of T-track in here. So let's route this in while the glue is drying over there. phone died between the last shot and this, so let me give you a quick overview of what I did last night. Most importantly is I marked out the holes corresponding to where our wonderful bolts are going to go back. We installed this, so I put a stop and I used that as a reference point, so this would constantly be going back. Anyways, countersank them just for my own purposes and drilled through, leaving the markings. There's no point for that. I made these cutouts here, important for when we turn, giving everything space. And yeah, just now we cut this out. So now I'm going to just mount it, take a look at it, and then we're going to put a T-track in the middle here. Oh, there we go. And the other end. About time. I'm a happy camper. Makes me feel a lot more professional. I'm very happy to have T-track running all the way effectively from the right-hand side of a cut for the next 4 or 5 feet. Great for a lot of repetitive cuts, having positive stops. And nothing like doing a custom thing by yourself. So have you upgraded your miter saw, made a miter station for yourself in the past? I might add some T-track on this side too. Who knows what else I might do? What do you suggest? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, good luck on your woodworking. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye guys.